Hey, I'm Ted Chalmers. Thanks for downloading the free chapter from the Hollywood Breakthrough Blueprint. Before you dive in, I want to give you some context. This isn't just another chapter about believing in yourself or networking harder. What you're holding is the foundation that changes everything else. In my 30 years as a sales agent and producer, I've watched thousands of talented people fail. Not because they weren't good enough. They failed because they were playing by rules that stopped working 10 years ago. I saw brilliant screenwriters get passed over while mediocre projects got greenlit. And for years, I bought into the same explanation. That's just how Hollywood works. It's all about luck and who you know. But here's what changed my perspective. I started asking a different question. Not, why do I keep getting rejected? But, why does the system keep rejecting talented people? That's what this chapter is about. It's not about fixing you. It's about understanding how the entire entertainment landscape shifted, and why most people are still using strategies designed for an industry that doesn't exist anymore. When you read Chapter 1, you're going to discover three critical things. First, why traditional networking and pitch strategies that worked in the 90s and early 2000s actually hurt your chances today. Second, how streaming platforms didn't just change distribution, they fundamentally rewired how decisions get made and who has power. And third, the four core principles you need to navigate today's industry. Not the industry from 2005, today's industry. Here's what I want you to do as you read. Don't just read it like information. Read it like a diagnostic tool. Ask yourself, which old-school strategy am I still using that's working against me? Maybe you're still trying to get in the room when the room has moved online. This chapter will show you exactly where the game has changed, and once you see it, you can't unsee it. Now, if you want the complete framework, all 11 chapters plus the audiobook and printable worksheets, I've put together a special bundle for people who download this free chapter. For the next 24 hours, you can get everything for $29 instead of the regular $47. That's the full book, the audiobook, and the worksheets that help you apply each framework to your specific situation. Just click the button below this video. But this price is only good for 24 hours. For now, enjoy the chapter. This is where everything changes. I'm Ted Chalmers, and I'll see you on the other side.